How to fix your calendar not syncing with your iPhone. So if the calendar on your iPhone is not loading your recent events, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now the first step is to go and open up the settings on your phone and click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then click on iCloud. Next to Save to iCloud, click on See All, and then you need to scroll down until you see the calendar and just make sure this is turned on. You can then come back over to the main settings page, scroll down to General and click on this. Click on Software Update and just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to Date and Time and click on this. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on and enabled, and once you've done that, you can go and check to see if your calendar is now working. If you're still having a syncing issue, then open back up the settings, scroll right to the bottom of this page and click on Apps. You can then scroll down until you see Mail from the list of options and click on this. Click on Mail Accounts, and here you'll find all of your different email accounts such as Gmail and Outlook. Now just select the mail account that you're having issues with and make sure Calendars is turned on like you see here, and this will ensure that all of our calendar events from our mail will be synced over to our iPhone. Now once you've done that, you can come back over to the apps page, and then we're going to scroll up until you see Calendar and then go and click on Calendar from the list. Click on Calendar Accounts, click on Fetch New Data, and make sure Push is turned on and enabled. You can then come back over to the previous window and just make sure that your calendar account is actually added to your iPhone. So if you're trying to sync your calendar events from Yahoo or Outlook, then what you may need to do is click on Add Account. You can then select your email provider, and then you'll simply need to go through the steps to sign in to your mail account. Once you've done that, you can head back over to the calendar, and that should now be syncing your events. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.